Okay, I don't even know if this is gonna hit us, but. Think that was us? Call your girlfriend. I think it's time you talk. Give her reasons. Say it's not her fault. But you just met somebody new. But don't you tell her. No, how's that go? I'll take it. But you just met somebody new. Don't you tell her that. Don't you tell her. Don't you try to explain. Say it right now, we kiss. And we kiss. What was the second line? The first line is something else. What rhymes with kiss? Miss? Call your girlfriend.
You just tell her that the only way her heart will mend is when she learns to love again. And it won't make sense right now, but she's still her friend. And that you let her down easy.
That's enough for now.